In this video I will show you how to remove and install a fork of a bullet. This is not an official instruction. You need a 5mm hex key, a 19mm spanner and a soft hammer. There is an adjusting cone screwed in the fork column. When you pull up the expander conical nut by tightening the cap screw, the adjusting cone is expanded and holds the fork in place. Remove the cover and loosen the cap screw with the 5mm hex key. Do not remove the cap screw completely. Hit the head of the cap screw with a soft hammer to drop the expander conical nut. Now the adjusting cone is released. Remove it with a 19mm spanner. Then remove the other parts in order. Here are the sizes of the fork and the bearings. At the end of the fork installation, adjust the bearings and then fix the cap screw.